How much does a typical foundation repair project with Dalinghaus Construction cost? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is, how much does a typical foundation repair project with Dalinghaus Construction cost?
Thanks, Brian. Obviously, it depends on a lot of factors such as size and type of home, but our average is about $25,000.
Yeah, so this year our average has actually gone up from 2020, where the average project was about $20,000. This year it's about $24,000. Now there's a couple different factors that fall into that. Steel prices, labor prices, just availability of anything right now is in the construction industry is just crazy. So that's kind of where the ballpark average is, and that's, great answer from Garrett. All right, thank you for joining us, and until next time, this is another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.